You clicked this video to learn my exact settings and my exact method, right? Let me tell you this, my friend. Fasten your seatbelt because this plane is about to take off. Before we lose any time, let's jump in the video. Let's take a look at the chart and let me explain which indicator does what. Let me just close all of them except Lux Algo price action concepts. As you can understand from the name, this indicator is based on the price action. It will show you the change of character, it will show you the break of structure, it will show you the patterns, it will show you the fair value gaps, and it will show you the premium discount zone, and it will also show you one of my favorite thing is Monday low, previous week low, previous week high, previous day high, and all that stuff. So let's disable this and quickly look at the signals and overlays. It will give you buy and sell signals, and also it will show you some confirmation indicators if you want to. These indicators are completely magic. And let's go over to the next one, ICT sessions, one setup for life, and this will show you, this little guy will show you the sessions and the highs and lows. All it does. So it will show you the New York AM, the regular trading hour gap, the New York lunchtime, PM time, Asia time, London time, and all that stuff. I will explain you why this indicator is so important, but before we go into that, now let's start with the first one, enable all of them, and let's look at the settings, right? If you want to backtest this strategy or any strategy you like, I am strongly suggest you use TraderEdge. That is my favorite backtesting platform in the market. It's a great platform to test all your trading strategies easy like 3 to 1. TraderEdge offers 7-day free trial, and if you sign up now with the link in the description, you will get $470 worth of trading course and backtesting guide content for free. I will show you step by step, don't worry. So the first setting is the market structure, the internal all 5, swing all 50, check the structure, MTF scanner, I have unchecked those, time frame is my chart, but if you want, you can go for higher or lower time frames. You can show and enable the order blocks like me, and I have disabled the internal buy and sell activity. It will create a huge mess in my chart which I don't like, and I have enabled the breakers. I really like them, and the length is 5 and the method is closed, the time frame is chart again, and check all of those. Now let's go down and see the liquidity concepts, right? Enable the trend line, the patterns, the equal highs and lows, and the liquidity grabs. Check all of them, these are very important. And the imbalance concepts. If you follow the ICT, you know that he is so into the fair value gap, the premium discount zone, the order blocks, highs and lows, and all that stuff, the buy side, sell side, you know the thing. So please check this box and choose the fair value gap, right? And I have changed the color to green and the red so I can understand better. The method is closed, the time frame is chart, the extent box is 10, the threshold is 0. Enable the premium discount zone and change the colors like you see it on my screen, and let's go down, and we have one of my favorite settings here, the highs and lows. Enable the daily, Monday, and weekly. These are highly important. I will explain very soon, don't worry. So hit OK and close this, and let's go over to the signals and overlays, and the preset and filters is none. I don't use any of them. The signal mode is confirmation plus exits, and the sensitivity is 16. This is very important. I have backtested a lot of times thanks to TraderEdge and found these settings that best and suits my style. And the candle coloring is confirmation, simple, it's very nice, and this is very important. Indicator overlay, and also you can call this the confirmation indicators, right? The trend catcher, check that. Trend tracer, check that. And the dashboard, check that. I don't use smart trail, reversal zones, or the neo cloud. So let's go down. The take profit stop loss is off, autopilot is off, The dashboard location, it's up to you. I use bottom right. The size is normal. That's the all settings you need. Hit OK and close it. And ICT sessions for life doesn't have so much settings. You can see on my screen and you can copy it as you see it now. And do not forget to change the time zone to the -4, right? The New York time. And hit the X button. So the setup is ready. Rules are simple. Today I am showing this setup to you on the S&P 500. And our time frame is 1 minute for now, but we will change that later. Now let's dive into it. How we will take the signals. What should we do when we get the signals? You will learn in a moment now. So the first example here is, this is a live example. This just happened today, and today is 19th of September, and we are looking at New York AM session. Why? Because I only trade the session times. I do not trade the non-session times like the pre-market, the after hours and all that stuff. I don't trade the Asia, I don't trade the London time, I don't trade the New York lunchtime. I only trade New York AM and the New York PM session. Why? Because there is a high volume and the most of the signals will be more accurate. Because we are talking about here a probability, right? The win rate. The win rate is very important. So to increase your win rate, you should stop trade every minute and every hour. Follow your rules, set your rule. I know you are excited, I know you want to take a millions of trade, but do not do that. Just set your rules. You can follow my rules now. It is free to watch, right? I only trade the New York AM and the New York PM session. I will show you how it is accurate now. So we got this plus sell signal. Let me just disable this so we can see clearly. We received this strong sell signal from the Luxalgo signals and overlays. The next step is, what you need to do is, you will check the bar color. It is very important. It has to be red. So you see that it's red color, check. And the next thing you need to check is, let's zoom in more here. And the next thing you need to do is, you need to check our confirmation indicators, right? So let me just hide the bars so that we can see. We got the strong sell signal here and all our confirmation indicators are still green. What we are going to do now? Are we going to enter position? No. You will wait 2 bars, right? 1 and 2. After that bar, if you see that your confirmation indicators return to red, you can take a short position. Easy like that. Yes. And now enable it again. So you will take a short position with this bar close and it is still red. It is very, very important. Do not get trapped. So you take a short position here and you write your trade and you see a change of character. It means that you are in a correct way. Market is changing its character. What it means? It is returning from bullish to bearish in a short term, right? And you will write your trade like you see it on my screen. It's going down and down and down. And suddenly you will see this X icon. What does it mean? It means that close your position. Because the downtrend is losing its vibe. Exit from the trade, take your profit and walk away. This is it. This is enough for you. You took a one trade and it is successful trade. So let's answer your question in your mind. If I short here, where is my stop loss? It's very easy, right? If you watched my videos, you know that we always use a recent support and resistance line. So if the price hits there, we are out of the game. We are not interested in this trade anymore. While you're watching your trade, you see these boxes, right? One here, the second here, and the third one. What does it mean? It means that bearish fair value gap. and it means that price will continue to go down unless this gap filled. Easy like that. You see, the gap is filled? No. So let's enable the one setup for life, and we closed our position here, and we see the change of character here, right? And we are now still in the 1 minute. So after a while you see a break of structure. To see a break of structure, you always get change of character first, then the break of structure. Do not forget that. Then after a while the bar is still red, and we have already taken our profits, and we are waiting for next opportunity, right? You didn't walk away from the screen. What you will do? The Lux Algo gave a buy signal. Let's see that. Should we take it? Because we are still in the New York AM time. Suddenly we see that the color is not green, so no position. Definitely do not get in. And the confirmation indicators, one is green and other, even after the 2 bars, still red. So no position, right? We saved, and we are watching the market. So we got a strong sell signal one more time. Let's see, here it is. And we see that, let's disable this one more time. We see that with the strong sell signal, all the confirmation indicators, all of them is confirming us. So what you will do? Of course you will take a short position, and you will put your stop loss to the recent resistance line, which is here. And you see that the price dumping, and we see a change of character here. Very important that we are in the correct way, right? And after that we watching the price. It bounced here and it goes up one more time, then goes the break of structure. But what will we see here? Luxalgo told us that, my friend, let's get out of here. So you close your position here. Easy like that. Just follow the rules. That's all you need to do. You don't need millions of indicators. If you want to trade like me, and if you want to have a high win rate, this is the golden tip for you. This is the golden key for you. Go and use it. The most important thing here is you need to learn managing your risk and following your rules. That's all you need to know. 90% is following these steps and 10% is knowing this strategy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, please hit that like button and consider watching those videos. Until the next time, see you soon.